We introduce two visual tools to support easy identification of results from gestualization studies and to inform replications, extensions, and generalizations of the findings reported by those studies. Our first tool, RepliGES, is a conceptual space that structures possible types of replications for gestualization studies. RepliGES has 5 dimensions: method, data, participants, population, and goal, which we identified after analyzing the scientific literature on research reproducibility and the specifics of gestualization studies, in particular, ACM's artifact review and badging system, taxonomies of replications, types of reproducibility, and the steps of a gestualization study. The RepliGES space enables 5 types of replications, 3 extensions and generalizations, and 2 types of repurposing data collected by previous gestualization studies towards new discoveries. For example, replicability means that the research team collects new data to verify if the results from the original study can be reproduced. Nascenta et al. And Skipper and Vatavu recalled their participants after 24 hours to test their memory recall of the elicited gestures. Extensibility means that the team employs a new method on gestures collected from new participants, and generalizability addresses replications where a new method is used on new gestures elicited from a sample of participants drawn from a new population. For example, Sony et al. Examined gestures performed by children and adults on spherical displays and compared them to gestures performed on flat tabletops. Finally, repurposability means reusing the gestures elicited in the original study to discover something new about the same population. For example, Gheran et al. Reused ring gestures collected in a previous study to examine the characteristics of bimanual gesture input with 2 rings. Our second contribution is GEStory, an interactive design space that structures the gestures reported by published gestualization studies according to a domain model with multiple dimensions, including the body parts employed to articulate the gestures, gesture type and form, the device or sensor used for gesture acquisition, and others. GEStory enables users to run queries using these dimensions and employs a start field display of the human body to present the results. For more information about our tools, as well as an example of using them to identify replications of gestualization studies from the scientific literature, please see our paper. Thank you for watching.